Experiencing no internet on your Verizon Android or iPhone? Let's fix it. First, ensure mobile data is enabled in your settings. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. Wait 10 seconds before turning it back on. If that doesn't work, your APN settings might be the issue. The APN is the gateway connecting your device to Verizon's network. For most plans, the default APN is Verizon Internet. Incorrect APN settings, especially after software updates or switching carriers, can block internet access. Next section will show you how to configure and fix those settings. Now let's configure your APN settings. On Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, and Access Point names. Add a new APN or edit the existing one, ensuring the APN field is set to Verizon Internet and MMSC is hm.vtex.com. On iPhone, navigate to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, and Cellular Network. Either manually enter these settings or reset to default if using iOS 18 or newer. As a last resort, perform a network reset. On Android, Settings, General Management, Reset Network Settings. Remember, this will clear Wi-Fi passwords. On iPhone, Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. This will also clear Wi-Fi passwords. After resetting, reconfigure your APN. These steps resolve most connectivity issues. If problems persist, contact Verizon support.